After incredible success of open source AI agents such as OpenClaw and Hermes, Claude Code is clearly steering towards more autonomy. First, they added goal comment that I showed you in the previous video, and now they reinvented cron jobs by introducing routines or schedules if you're running Claude Code in CLI. So, what are these routines for? Routines are basically Claude Code on autopilot. It is a prompt that you set up once and then it runs automatically on a schedule, trigger, or API call. You don't need to sit at your desk and tell Claude to review this PR or read Jira issue assigned to you and implement the feature. Now you can set up routine once and your work will be done before you even sip your morning coffee. And in this video, I will show you how to set up a simple routine for a first pass code review on your repo, just in a few minutes using Claude Code. But before we start, just a couple of notes. First, routines are in the research preview, so things can change. And if you watch this video after a while, then I cannot guarantee that everything is still the same. And second, routines are fully available on the web version of Claude Code. And if you want to use Claude Code in CLI, there are a limited version of routines called schedules available there. As you can imagine from its name, it can run tasks on schedule, but you cannot use triggers or APIs with it. But you may ask, why do they reinventing the wheel? We already have cron jobs and webhooks. Why do we need another similar thing? And the answer is, and that's probably the coolest thing about routines, they run fully in the Anthropic managed infrastructure. So you don't need to bother and set it up on your machine or pay for cloud resources. It's included in your subscription and it can work even while your laptop is closed. So each routine can have one or more triggers attached to it. It could be a scheduled trigger, for example, to run this routine every hour, every day, or every week, or once in the specific future time. Or it can be triggered by an API call. You need to send an HTTP post request with a bearer token to the routine-specific endpoint. And the third trigger is GitHub. Routines can run automatically in response to the events on your repo. Right now, only pull request and release events are supported, but maybe there will be more in future. And single routine can combine triggers. For example, you can run it nightly, trigger from a deploy script, and also react on every new open pull request. But enough talking, let's set up our first routine. And that's what you will need for it. First, Claude subscription, of course, and you will need the one that includes Claude Code. Unfortunately, the free tier will not work here. And the second is your GitHub repo that you are ready to experiment with. And you will need to install Claude up there, and I will show you how to do it. And the last, a few minutes of your time. And if you're ready, let's dive in. So first, let's go to claude.ai/code, and here it will prompt you to download the app, but we want to continue on web this time. And it will suggest you to connect your terminal first, so let's do it. I will open the repo I will use, and I will open Claude there. Ignore these errors, I just need to fix my environment, but I'm lazy to do that. So you need to open Claude and then run this web setup command. And it will prompt you here where you can select the repo. And I will select this one, bird weight tracker. And from here, we will go to our routines. I don't have any yet, so I'll set up my first routine with you. Let's click this new routine button. And let's call it just code review for now. And I will copy paste the instructions that I prepare. And that's my instruction. You can also choose the model which you want to use for reviews. I will use Claude Sonnet. Now, you can select a trigger, schedule, GitHub event, or API. And for GitHub event, it tells me that I need to select repo first. So click here, and we selected our repo. And now if I click on this trigger, this GitHub trigger, it will prompt me to install the Claude GitHub app. So I will just click the link and I will install it on the selected repository, bird weight tracker, install and authorize. So now you can see this notification disappeared, and we can choose one of those triggers: PR open, PR merge, release, issue. So I will choose the PR opened. That's when we want to dispatch our reviewer. There is a filter condition. So for example, you can choose an author or something else like a label, branch, anything. You can even set up like is draft or is merged. Anyway, we're not gonna do it. We're just going to listen to all the open PRs. So basically that's it. Let's hit create, and that's our routine. And what we can do now, we can go and try creating a pull request in our repo. I will go to my VS Code and I will switch to the branch. Let me first see. Okay, I've got a bunch of stuff here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not going just to create a new feature or whatever. I will just commit whatever is in SRC folder. I don't even remember what is it, because actually I abandoned this repo. I ported my app to Swift from the React Native. I'm going to give it some random commit name and I'm going to push. And now we can go and open our pull request. Okay, and now let's just create a pull request and let's see if our trigger will work. And you can see that in the runs, we can now see the latest run today at 8:37, and this is from the webhook, and Claude will start reviewing our repo in a second. Let's give it some time. And you can also click on this run if you want to see the status and what's going on there, and it will prompt you to enable notifications. I will allow them. And so here you can see your prompt, trigger, and what's going on here, which tools it's used. It has a full div, and as you can see, it is now creating a review, adding a comments. So let's wait for it. And here are the comments. So that's how it will look. Your comments will be authored by you with this little note generated by Claude Code. And what else we can do here is we can allow Claude not just to review the PR, but also address the comments on his own. And for this, we will go back to the routine. Change the prompt. So click on this pencil icon and we will change the prompt, and we will tell it push fixes for every issue you found, one commit per issue, respond to the comments and mark conversations resolved. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let Claude to push fixes, and I will not enable the second one. I will only enable this one. So let's save it. And now I will just re-trigger it. I will click this run now to trigger it manually. It will start another run, and let's see what will happen this time. And if you open the run now, the manual run that we triggered, you can see that now it's not just reviewing the PR, it's also setting up the local branch and prepares the fixes. And interestingly, the first one he pushed from my user, and the other two were pushed by the Claude app. That's interesting. I'm not sure. And that's it for today. And Amy wants her screeches, so I'll leave you here to play and experiment with these new feature routines. And if you enjoyed my video, if it was useful and interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. And see you in the next videos.